Good afternoon, students. We start with the chapter number 12. The point we are going to discuss first, preparation of carboxylic acid. Preparation of aldehyde ketone we already started, and now we move on to the preparation of carboxylic acid. The first way or a reaction is from alkyl nitrile or aryl nitrile on acid, hydrolysis gives amide, and amides on further hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. As you can see here, it is two-step reaction. In the step 1, alkyl nitrile on acid hydrolysis gives amide. Amide is C double NH2 C double bond O. ठीक है, nitrile C triple bond N, converting to the on hydrolysis C double bond O NH2, that is amide, and this C double bond O NH2 converting to carboxylic acid, that is C double bond O OH. See the reaction. Cyanide, as we studied here, seen here, from alkyl nitrile or aryl nitrile. R group I have given here. So what is the first example is this? It is for alkyl nitrile. Alkyl nitrile RCN on acid hydrolysis gives amide C double bond O NH2. You can see the color change, pink color, that is nothing but the functional group for amide. So RCN on acid hydrolysis gives you formation of amide. ठीक है, amide converting to acid, but how? It is on further hydrolysis. Further heating is required, and further hydrolysis of this amide is converting to the C double bond O OH, that is NH2. यहाँ पे भी क्या आ जाएगा? OH. So that is nothing but the formation of carboxylic acid from alkyl nitrile. Students, ये जो first reaction है, this reaction is nothing but the general reaction. If you remember this general reaction, so R may be any substituent, you can write the product for the given reaction. ठीक है, so what is this? First reaction is nothing but the general reaction. Remember. We now see example. Example first is given CH3 C double bond O NH2. Okay, directly they have given from nitrile to amide. So CH3CO NH2 on acid hydrolysis give ethanoic acid, but ये कहाँ से मिलेगा आपको? R replaced by CH3, then you will get the ethanamide. यहाँ पे CH3 आ जाएगा. See here, the second compound is given ethanamide. Ethanamide कैसे form हुआ? This R from nitrile is R is nothing but CH3. ठीक है, CH3 is present. So on acid hydrolysis क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट हमको? This R replaced by CH3. ठीक है ना, ये R की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? CH3, and that is CH3 C double bond O NH2, that is nothing but the ethanamide. ठीक है, step 1 हुआ. After that ethanamide on further hydrolysis gives you ethanoic acid and along with the byproduct NH3, because NH2 निकल के वहाँ पे OH जाएगा, and therefore NH2 taking that one hydrogen and in the hydrolysis and forms the NH3. ठीक है, these two reactions we have seen for what? Alkyl nitrile. Now we look one reaction for aryl nitrile. R replaced by aromatic ring now or aryl group. Aryl group I have taken here this benzene ring, C double bond O NH2, means R क्या था यहाँ पे? In the general reaction what we are going to write? General reaction for aryl halide क्या आएगा? AR dash CN, aryl nitrile. Hydrolysis gives aryl amide. ठीक है, so aryl amide is what? Aryl ring is here, that is the benzene ring, and CO NH2, that is nothing but the benzamide. ठीक है, benzamide on hydrolysis gives what? acid, C double bond O OH with the benzene. What is the nomenclature? Benzene with the acid. So benzene E replaced by oic acid. Benzenoic acid is going to form here along with the byproduct NH3. Simple है reaction. Remember general reaction, then you can write down any example. ठीक है. So aryl nitrile or alkyl nitrile on acid hydrolysis gives, first क्या देता है, gives amide, and that amide on further acid hydrolysis gives you carboxylic acid. ठीक है. So this is the first method for preparation of carboxylic acid. In each of this you can see here we are going to observe the formation for the acid. देखो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है फर्स्ट एसिड फॉर्म हुआ, यहाँ पे इथेनॉइक एसिड एंड दिस इज बेंजोइक एसिड. सो दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड बाय अल्किल नाइट्राइल और अराइल नाइट्राइल. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड मेथड फ्रॉम acyl chloride and anhydrides. We are going to discuss for that. Conversion of acyl acid chloride and to the carboxylic acid. Acid chloride, first we have to see what is that. You can see the carbonyl group is given. This is the carbonyl group, RCH2 C double bond O, and when this chlorine is present here, that is nothing but the group, it is acyl chloride. C double bond O Cl is what? Acyl chloride group is there, and RCH2 C double bond O, that is nothing but the acyl chloride. So you can observe here, this is the acyl chloride given. Acyl chloride gives you formation of what? Acid. ठीक है. Acyl chloride gives you the formation of acid. On hydrolysis again, what is the reaction here? On hydrolysis it will give you that formation of carboxylic acid. Second, acid anhydride. Anhydride क्या होता है? That acyl group R C double bond O, R C double bond O, acyl group है. When it is attached to chlorine, acyl chloride. क्लोरीन नहीं है तो क्या ग्रुप हो गया वो? असाइल. R C double bond O, R C double bond O, and when these two groups are attached to this oxygen or bonding by this oxygen, then it is called as a acid anhydride. In the 11th we have studied all the functional groups. This functional group also we have studied. It is nothing but the acid anhydride. ठीक है. Anhydride compound on further hydrolysis gives you what? R C double bond O OH. So that is the formation of the carboxylic acid. So second reaction we have just now studied. It is from acyl chloride and anhydride. Both on hydrolysis gives the formation of carboxylic acid. It is only a single step reaction. Next one, from ester, that we have to see. From ester we are going to prepare the carboxylic acid. तो ester का पहले फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए आपको. What is the formula or functional group for ester? Ester is R C double bond O O R. That is nothing but the functional group for ester. ठीक है. So ester से prepare होगा acid. How? That we have to see. Acid hydrolysis of ester. In presence of acid, hydrolysis will be takes place. ठीक है. You can see here acid hydrolysis है. ठीक है. So H plus you can see here, and in a presence of water, and ester react with the water. Acidic medium है, and therefore it is going to convert to the carboxylic acid. Not only carboxylic acid is going to prepare, along with one more product, it is alcohol, ROH. ठीक है. You can observe the color given here, R C double bond O OR. ester is given green color दिया है देखो यहाँ पे for OR, and H2O on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid, R C double bond O OH. From this water OH will be here, and that is the acid formation. But what about this OR and the hydrogen? So it is ROH, that is alcohol. This is the functional group for alcohol, R dash OH. Okay. So acid hydrolysis of ester gives you formation of carboxylic acid along with the formation of alcohol. Okay. So this is from acid hydrolysis of ester. Now the second you can observe alkaline hydrolysis of ester. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन में देखा हमने एसिड हाइड्रोलाइसिस, अभी देखना है अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलाइसिस. अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलाइसिस बेसिक मीडियम इज देयर, NaOH वी आर गोइंग टू टेक. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल फॉर द बेस और द अल्कलाइन मीडियम वी आर टेकिंग हियर NaOH. So what will be the reaction? You can see the ester group first, R C double bond O OR. What is this? Ester plus NaOH. This is alkaline hydrolysis है, तो बेस हमने यूज किया. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन? कार्बोक्सिलेट सॉल्ट इज गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर, दैट इज ONA प्लस अल्कोहल. And further on hydrolysis, this salt gives you the formation of carboxylic acid. That is, carboxylate salt of sodium is converting to the carboxylic acid. So that is the reaction for preparation of carboxylic acid from ester. The fourth reaction for the preparation of carboxylic acid is from alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene, ठीक है, prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene with dilute HNO3 or alkaline or acidic KMnO4 or chromic acid. See, prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene, carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene. Oxidation is going to observe here in this reaction. ठीक है, alkyl benzene is going to oxidize, but you can see here some reagent list out किया है वहाँ पे reagent. कौन कौन से reagent use कर सकते हैं? Dilute KMnO4 और alkaline acidic KMnO4, ठीक है, और chromic acid also. So that reactions we have to see. So all these reagents when coming with the alkyl benzene, then definitely it is going to oxidize to carboxylic acid. First alkyl benzene, alkyl, this methyl group is there and benzene ring, so it is alkyl benzene or methyl benzene. KMnO4, KOH and heat. KOH is present, means what is the medium here? Alkaline or acidic? It is alkaline. ठीक है, so KMnO4, KOH, heat. This alkyl benzene is converting to this salt of potassium. Benzene ring with C double bond O OK, that is potassium salt. As sodium is K is present, so potassium salt. If I take sodium here, then it is NaOH. अगर लिया मैंने यहाँ पे NaOH, then what should be the salt? Benzene ring C double bond O Na, that is sodium salt of this benzyl alkyl benzene. ठीक है, और methyl benzene. So in this case, as we have taken KOH, तो कौन सा salt form हुआ? Potassium salt. And this potassium salt further undergo hydrolysis and gives the formation of benzoic acid, C double bond O OH. ठीक है, so thus the acid formation will be there. Next one, alkyl benzene 1, 2, 3, propyl substituent है propyl benzene. ठीक है, this is the alkyl benzene example given. Again the same reagents we are using KMnO4, KOH and heating. So salt कौन सा form होगा? Potassium salt. Undergo further hydrolysis to give the acid, and that is nothing but the benzoic acid. So R may be, this substituent may be any, but the general reaction will remain same. That is potassium salt is going to prepare and further hydrolysis gives you formation of benzoic acid. Understood with this reaction? From alkyl benzene, how we are going to prepare the carboxylic acid? In this example, benzoic acid we have prepared. ठीक है, fifth method we are going to see now. From alkene, carbon carbon double bond, how we are going to prepare the acid? Carboxylic acid can also be prepared by oxidation of alkenes by KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4. Oxidation of alkenes by KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4. So dilute H2SO4 acidic medium है, So acid hydrolysis, we can see acidic medium we can say, and it is oxidation of alkene takes place to the this carboxylic acid. What is the reaction? We have to see. Benzene ring is there, CH double bond CH2. Now this is not the benzene ring, it is calling, we are at a as a phenyl substituent. And how many carbons are there? 2 carbon, means ethene. So alkene is present and with the substituent phenyl. So phenyl ethene is the name. Okay. KMnO4 and KOH, this is the reagents we are using. KOH present है तो salt कौन सा form होगा? It is potassium salt. What is the name for that potassium salt? Potassium benzoate. ठीक है. Double bond get converting to the potassium salt on reaction with KMnO4 and KOH. ठीक है. KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4, you can see here. So potassium salt is going to prepare potassium benzoate, and it further hydrolysis gives you the same benzoic acid. So step 2 is same, just now we have seen in the earlier reaction. Just यहाँ पे आपको क्या याद करना है? Alkene is going to oxidize to first salt and then to the acid. ठीक है, पोटेशियम सॉल्ट में वो कन्वर्ट होगा पहले. And why the name is given? Phenyl is a substituent, phenylethene, 2 carbon, therefore substituent is phenyl, phenylethene on reaction with KMnO4, potassium permanganate. ठीक है, in presence of this KOH, it gives you potassium benzoate, and which on hydrolysis gives you the benzoic acid formation. So CH double bond CH2, that is alkene, converting to the acid by these steps. Sixth one, from Grignard reagent. We are going to prepare now carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. So once we have studied this reaction in the earlier chapter, Grignard reaction we have to see now how to prepare from that reagent carboxylic acid. Grignard reagent in dry ether as a solvent is added to solid carbon dioxide, that is dry ice. Solid CO2 क्या होता है? Dry ice. To give a complex which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding carboxylic acid. Grignard reagent पहले देखो. Grignard reagent 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there with the bromine. ठीक है. So this is the bromide, simple bromide compound is it, 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है ना. 4 carbons are there, so it is butyl bromide. When react with magnesium metal in presence of the dry ether as a solvent, this bromide अल्किल ब्रोमाइड है. ये कौन सा ग्रुप है? अल्किल ग्रुप है ये. सो अल्किल ब्रोमाइड react with magnesium metal in presence of the dry ether solvent, it gives you the RMgBr. This is nothing but the Grignard reagent. ठीक है. And now this Grignard reagent is going to react with the dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide twice CO2, gives you the formation of corresponding carboxylic acid on acid hydrolysis. ठीक है. So first this carboxylate ion is going to form. This is R group. Students, see here the reaction. This whole thing consider as a R. So RBr. You can see here R-Br. ठीक है. अल्किल ब्रोमाइड है ये. अल्किल ब्रोमाइड रिएक्ट विद द मैग्नीशियम एंड व्हाट? ईथर. मैग्नीशियम एंड द ईथर गिव्स यू RMgBr. दिस इज द ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट. ये हो गया ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट. व्हाट इज दैट? R-Mg-Br. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट. So Grignard reagent when prepared, it is going to react with what? Dry ice. Dry ice क्या होता है? It is solid carbon dioxide, and then it is going to form this oxalate ion. Carboxylic acid, यहाँ पे H नहीं है. You can see the negative charge, so it is carboxylate ion, and this whole thing is nothing but R. ठीक है. So carboxylate ion undergo acid hydrolysis and gives you formation of the acid C double bond O OH. ठीक है. So that is the conversion of alkyl bromide to Grignard reagent, then oxalate ion, and then acid hydrolysis gives you the acid formation. So this is the sequence for the reaction from Grignard reagent. Understood? Today's homework: write the reaction involved in preparation of carboxylic acid. All the reactions, ठीक है. Write reactions involved in the preparation of carboxylic acid. Today only the main point we have discussed. It is preparation of carboxylic acid, students, and 6 reactions or 6 types for the preparation of carboxylic acid we have seen. Students, I want this presentation, whole this presentation, in this format. देखो मैंने यहाँ पे एक आपको बना के दिया है रफ आइडिया. You can use your idea also or some innovative ideas. Always welcome for that. Preparation of carboxylic acid center में लिख दिया मैंने, and 6 reaction we have studied ना. So 6 column ऐसे किए, and then first reaction I am going to write here how the acid is going to prepare. तो reaction I can do that कि reaction मैंने first start किया. So from nitrile लिख दिया यहाँ पे amide conversion, then to the acid. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक आएगा. एसिड का फॉर्मूला मैंने बीच में लिख दिया. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल ऐसे किया. लाइक दैट वे यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द 6 रिएक्शंस in this format. I don't want that essay writing for this preparation of the reaction. I want this tabular format, and you have to send me personally on my WhatsApp number. I will check that how we will give the ranking for that also. ठीक है. So consider as a competition. So you have to learn in that tabular format. Students, when we are going to prepare that short notes or like this presentation, easily याद रहेगा आपको instead of the writing in the paragraph format. ठीक है. So like this for the organic chemistry, this is very very important. You have to learn like this. ठीक है. So all these 6 reactions we have discussed for the preparation of carboxylic acid. I think everybody understood with this. When you are going to write that 1 or 2 time, definitely you will be ready to write any preparation reaction for the carboxylic acid. ठीक है. So today's homework is this format. I want all these 6 reaction. ठीक है. Thank you.